Vylon Station, a major commercial hub operated by Hephaestar Corporation, orbits the planet of Gehenna. While rich in the elements that fuel galactic trade and transportation, this hellworld is an extremely hostile environment. Among streams of molten lava and volcanic ash storms, human civilization faces an even greater threat: Arachnids. Vylon Station Director Rhea Patel has appealed to the Sky Marshal for help, and her call has been answered. A detachment of mobile infantry has arrived to help our valued corporate ally with their bug problem. Give 'em hell, troopers!
The great Vylon Station where commerce and industry meet. They certainly sell it better on the ads. A security alert? What's happening here?
Captain Zhao, I'm Director Patel. Please gather your troops and meet me in the control room.
Understood, ma'am.
Sir, yes, sir. Roger that. Affirmative. This way. Let's go. This way.
Stay together until we know the situation here.
Roger that. This way.
Company mercenaries? If they're here, why does Hephaestar Corp need us?
Roger that. Affirmative.
Fall in. We're not here for R&R.
Roger that. Let's go. Yes, sir. This way.
Get information. Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Bugs? How did they get on board?
Look sharp, this way.
Everyone here? Then maybe Director Patel can tell us about her bug problem.
Roger that. Affirmative. Let's go. Affirmative. Yes, sir.
What kind of shoddy security operation are Hephaestar running here?
Yes, sir. This way, sir.
Mercenary rabble. That explains a lot.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Captain Zhao, you've arrived just in time.
There are arachnids on your station, ma'am. I'll need to call this in to Terran Command.
That won't be necessary, Captain. I have a more urgent concern right now. There are fires that have broken out on the maintenance levels. I was reliably informed that you would be up to any task thrown at you, Captain. That is what the mobile infantry does, is it not?
It is.
Good. I have a firefighter crew on standby. They'll handle the flames. I need you to keep them protected.
Awaiting orders. Let's go. Look sharp, troopers.
It's this way. Here to help. Following safety
Squad,
protocols.
roger that. Yes, sir.
Okay, we're going in. Get ready. We're here.
Firefighters, standing by.
Sharp, troopers. Roger that.
Here to help. It's this way. Firefighters, standing by.
This way. Let's go.
Where's the following safety
They're
protocol?
in the vents!
This way.
More bugs? How are they getting onto the station?
Got an emergency.
We'll investigate that later. Right now, I need those fires put out.
Understood. Zhao out.
Where's the fire? Firefighters, standing by. Keep it cool. Following safety protocols.
Roger that. This way. Yes, sir. If we ain't dying, this way.
Here to help.
Yes, sir. Affirmative, sir. Roger that.
Hey, fellas. Open this door for us? We'll handle whatever's in there. Get out of there! We got this.
Squad, ready for this way. Affirmative. Let's go. Drill up. This way. If we ain't dying, yes, sir. Fire. This way. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
intel reports a new bug threat in our sector.
Affirmative.
Where's the fire? It's this way. Following safety
Sir.
protocol. It's this way.
Awaiting
Roger
orders.
that. Firefighters, panic. Here to help. It's this way. Panic.
Squad, let's go.
Firefighters, standing by. Where's the fire? Don't panic.
Sir.
Firefighters, it's this way.
Awaiting orders. Sir. Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Where's the fire? Following safety protocols.
The Sharp Troopers. This way.
Firefighters, it's this way. Where's the fire? Hose it down.
Squad, roger that. Affirmative. The Sharp Troopers.
Following safety
Engineers, come on, people! Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Awaiting orders.
Firefighters.
Roger that.
What do you need? Move out. Come on, people!
Bugs. What's going on here?
Keep walking, Fedman. You didn't see this.
Pacified arachnids? What are they doing down here? I want answers. But right now, the station's safety is our priority.
Sir.
Engineers,
Roger that.
that.
Squad, ready for orders.
What do you need? Come on, people! Affirmative.
Awaiting
It's
orders.
this way.
Progress report?
We're fighting the fires and the bugs. They turned the room ahead into a bit of an inferno.
I'm sending you another team of firefighters. Make sure they stay protected.
Squad,
Following
ready
safety
for orders.
protocols.
Engineers, yes, sir. Now here.
The Sharp Troopers.
It's this way.
What do you need? Affirmative. Move out.
Here to
Don't
help.
panic.
We've got an emergency.
Where's the fire? We've got an emergency.
Awaiting orders. Yes, sir. This way.
Engineers, yes, sir. Now here. Come on,
Sir,
people!
let's go.
Where's
Following
the fire? Safety protocols. Keep it cool.
It's this way. Hose it down.
Sharp
More bugs coming out of the vents!
Move out. Come on, people! Now we're cooking with gas. Yes, sir.
Sir.
It's this way. We've got an emergency.
Squad, roger that.
Here to help. Following safety protocols. Following safety protocols.
Fire following safety protocol. Keep it cool.
Sir, roger that. Yes, sir.
Where's the fire? We've got an emergency.
Here to help.
Awaiting orders.
Engineers,
Don't
now
panic.
here.
Hose it down.
Here to help.
Squad, ready for orders.
Following safety protocols. Hose it down.
Yes, sir. What do you need?
It's this way. Where's the
Come on, people!
Sharp Troopers.
Engineers,
Squad, this way.
The danger isn't over. Temperature levels are still high in the waste processing center.
You want us to help you deal with burning garbage? What about your mercenaries?
Sky Marshal ordered you to fully cooperate, Captain. Please do so.
Understood, ma'am.
Firefighters standing
Affirmative.
by.
Yes, sir.
Haul ass!
Where's the fire?
Yes, sir. Come on, people!
Awaiting orders.
Roger
Let's
that.
show these civilians how the mobile infantry gets the job done. My people can barely breathe in here.
That level is directly above our nuclear reactor. If fire damages the cooling system,
An explosion.
releasing enough radiation to render this station uninhabitable. So please, hurry, Captain.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Engineers?
Roger
now.
that.
Sir, this way.
Orders?
Move out.
Starship Troopers.
Here to help.
This way.
They're nesting in those machines.
Sir,
Our waste incinerators. They must be attracted to the heat. You have my permission to destroy the machines if necessary, Captain.
Squad.
We don't need permission to kill bugs. Careful! Bugs could be hiding in this smoke.
It's this way. Sir?
This way.
Where's the fire?
Panic.
what do you need?
Affirmative.
Here to
It's
help.
this way.
Engineers?
Yes, sir.
Now, here.
Squad, ready for orders.
Where's the fire? Safety. Keep it
Where's the
cool.
fire?
Sir.
Orders, get your gear. We're moving out.
Starship Troopers.
Firefighters, keep it cool.
Awaiting orders.
Engineers here.
Haul ass. What do you need? Move out. Now we're cooking with gas.
Firefighters, it's this way.
Here to help. Following safety.
Affirmative.
Sir, roger that.
Here to help. Firefighters, following safety.
Awaiting orders.
Engineers? Move out.
Orders, get your gear. We're moving out. Where's the It's fire? this way.
Squad, ready.
Roger that.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Sir, move out.
Awaiting
Let's go.
orders.
Here to following safety protocol. Hold it down. Orders, roger that. Affirmative.
Where's the fire? Hose it down.
Sir, this way.
Firefighters standing
What
by.
do you need? Come on, people. Affirmative. Flame them! Now we're cooking with gas. Roger that.
Engineers here. Get your gear.
Sir,
We're moving out.
move out.
Firefighters, panic. It's this way.
Shots go. Roger that. Yes, sir.
Where's the fire? Following safety.
Sir,
Where's the fire? Panic.
squad, roger that.
Firefighters. It's this way.
What do you need?
Following safe. Keep it cool. Sir?
Here to help. Following safety.
Roger that. If we ain't dying, we ain't trying.
Engineers here.
Roger that.
Where's the fire?
Barbecued bug coming up. Here to help.
It's this way.
All
Following
fires extinguished. Thank you, Captain.
It's this way.
You and your people are to report to the cargo bay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
It's this way.
Sir,
Don't panic. It's this way.
awaiting orders.
The station's secure again. You can continue your deployment to Gehenna.
I saw bugs under the control of your mercenaries. What exactly are you people doing here?
Did the Sky Marshal brief you on any classified operations being conducted here, Captain?
No, ma'am.
Then that's because he decided you don't need to know. You're here to follow my orders and kill bugs. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Troopers, gear up and board your boats. We're going down to the surface.